Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here to pick the winner of the Little Golden Book, The Secret Life of the Pets journal that I made. I had 6 people that used the correct word, and they were Kathy's Crafty Room, Angela Schneider, Crafty House Kitty Jen, Have At It, Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter, and Dawn Twist. Thanks ladies for entering it. So I'm going to just have Google pick a number 1 through 6. Or actually Siri. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 through 6.
A random number between 1 and 6 is 5.
Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. Number 5. There. Congratulations, Sabrina. I also included the little keychain I made the other day. So, this is so funny because I have a package going out there. So, I will get this in there. Thanks for everybody that entered. Always look for more giveaways, guys. You never know in my videos, there may be one. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.